Here in the Philippines, traffic is one of the biggest problems we experience every single day. So yeah, a car may give you the comfort, safety, and convenience, but with this kind of traffic, nope. I'd rather ride a motorcycle, and I really don't have the money to buy a car. Saon man, pobre man. March of 2018, I was on the market for a new motorcycle. Due to its convenience, my lack of experience, and of course, my budget, I decided to get a scooter. While everybody else was on Yamaha with their Mio lineup, I wanted to be different. I wanted to be unique. And so, I bought the Honda Click 150i. I really love its sleek design, sharp looks from the headlights all the way to its tail. Being different also gave me some concerns though. I only know how to drive it. I don't know how to troubleshoot, aftermarket parts, accessories, upgrades, and all that stuff. And I also felt alone. I wanted to belong somewhere. Somewhere I could learn and share my passion. April 3, 2018, on that very fateful day, I was warmly welcomed to join the Click Owners Club Cebu chapter. At first, I really didn't bother attending their meetings and discussions. Not until they posted an invitation for a friendly basketball game. And I was like, oh, so they're not just a motorcycle club, huh? Well, yeah, right. They're actually more of a family. This SEC registered club has been established way back May 2015. It was then founded here in Cebu, January 2017 by these legendary OGs. They started so few, but with their hard work and perseverance for growth, look at us now. That's not even complete attendance yet. I'm making this video to personally thank you guys for everything. You know, I realized I've been with this group for over a year now. Time flies so fast. Thank you for all the love and support, even if I'm not very active, some group chats, some meetings, and some of the major rides. I wasn't even there on the Christmas party, and I can't even go with you now to anniversary ride. Too bad.
Hey, what is up, YouTube? This is John Brow, and no, I'm not gonna miss this anniversary ride with the COC Click Owners Club Cebu chapter happening right now, Saturday, May 25th. So no, I'm not gonna miss this. Apas na apas! Woo! Naana sila karon sa Maravilla tayo apatay. And it's already 1:40 in the afternoon. So it's the 4th anniversary of Click Owners Club Cebu. Not really Cebu, but for the entire club here in the Philippines. And yeah, let's go! Hala ka! 1 bar na lang ang gasolina! Hala! Oh no! Patay, magduot na ako ni! Una niya ron. Kanilagay wala sa plano. Wala na gas. Asa na magasan eh. Ayun pa para basta Tabuelan. Oh no! Magos Brad! Hey! Yan taon. Anong red cliff din isa guys? Nga di man siya red. No? Brown na na. Saan nga diri? Fun run? Hindi, nagunsa na ka sila din doon, oh. Man na baka sila gaon dito kay murag naarab na yung lechon. Wow! Kaya nisaan mo na akong president o lechon kay kanilang inaatay guwapang i-appeal sa grupo. Wow! Nag-challenge man kung mabot ang 500 ang welcome comments and boom! Masyado niyang minamaliit ang pagkabarako namin. Kaya yun, lechon. Pero tanaw na daw kung dili bas ka ng lechon. Uy, gapag naman dali, uy. Oh guys, wow, langit naman yun. Lalami, oh. Oh, Julia. Oh, tanaw. Oh my God. Look at that. Woo. Oh.
1 hour later.
Okay, so yalla, Playa del Carmelo. Agay. Hey!
Kira usa? Ikaw nito.
Dalikyat ra ko eh.
Wala aron.
Ibilin yun akong bata dito. Oo. Yeah!
Practice of words sa motor device natin.
Ikan ginagawa. Kaya nga ganawa ko yung ikan ginagawa. Warriors na tanugod.
Na video man eh. Mana siya OG, original gangster. Hi ladies. Yeah, so we're here at Tabuelan. I don't know what's it. La Playa. So yeah, Nakaabot kita nila, and now we're having games. Because again, it's not just fun and games. Well, yeah, it's not just about ride, I should say. So sila nagadalag pang ligo. Ako, shoes and jeans and shirt. Because I'm going home like in an hour, I guess. Because again, wala din sa plano, so napo ko yung mga obligasyon sa balay. But anyway, let's go. Jason drone. What's up, lang people? Yo.